At this industrial site, work continues into the night. A worker stands near an open pit filled with dark liquid. The ground is wet and muddy, the lighting is poor, and the pit has only a low, inadequate railing. As he begins to walk, his feet slip on the slick surface. In an instant, he falls backward over the railing and into the pit, completely submerged. His co-worker at the truck remains unaware. The man does not resurface. This tragedy could have been prevented with proper barriers, adequate lighting, and slip-resistant surfaces. Watch again. The slip happens in a fraction of a second. No warning, no time to react. In hazardous areas like this, every worker must stay alert, and every employer must ensure proper guarding and surface conditions. Lives depend on it. In this machine shop, two workers operate a large lathe. One leans over the rotating machine while it's still running, a critical safety violation. Suddenly, his clothing catches. He's violently pulled in and spun at high speed. His coworker hits the emergency stop, but it's too late. This horrific accident was completely preventable. Never work on machinery while it's in operation. Always follow lockout-tagout procedures. Ensure all guards are in place. The power of rotating equipment is unforgiving. One mistake can cost a life. In this commercial kitchen, a worker operates a large piece of machinery. But when the lid won't close properly, she takes a dangerous risk, leaning deep inside to adjust something. A coworker walks in, only to witness her in this incredibly hazardous position. One wrong move, and this could end in tragedy. On this factory floor, a worker monitors a press machine going through its normal cycles. Everything seems routine, but the real danger isn't the machine he's watching. Without warning, the pallet stacked with heavy metal materials gives way, sending hundreds of pounds crashing down. He falls backward, narrowly escaping what could have been a fatal accident.